Hey guys, so we were gifted this to test out. This is a auxiliary, you could call it auxiliary, just kind of a replacement for the factory headrest for a place to give you more storage and a couple more cup holders. Let me go through it real quick and then I'll tell you who I think it would be best utilized for. So you can see most of the features here. One thing I will say, each of these compartments comes with a little mat at the bottom. That is nice, and they do fit nicely. That makes it easy to clean up if you need to, if you have any spills or anything. One downside to this is these do not stay in if you use your middle seat a lot. So if you put your middle seat up, all of them fall out on the floor in the back. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But I know a lot of guys and a lot of people just keep this down. They don't use the middle seat. And if that's the case, this will work awesome. Just to give you an idea of the sizes of the compartments, you could stick pens there if you want to, like a razor knife could fit there. Your phone could fit here. I'm not sure if that's where you would put it, but just so you know, a regular size phone does fit in that location. I wanted to show you, some people have these bigger drinks. There's two different size cup holders. It does not fit in the front one, but it does fit in the back one. And it's stable. It's very stable, sturdy, because it utilizes the holes of the headrest. And maybe I can show you at the end of this video, but the base of this comes with its own set of these steel bars that actually go in. So it's very stable. It's very secure. It's not going to go anywhere. Just to show you too, you know, you can put a soda up here. Soda can fits just fine. So I think this is really would be an awesome setup for somebody that, like I said, does not utilize the middle seat. Somebody that just needs more room to put stuff. I know a lot of contractors and stuff that just use their truck as an office. This would be awesome for them if they just need another place to put random things. You still have access to all your controls. This is a 2013 F150, so you can still get to all your controls here. It will be harder to access anything down here if you need to, but you can still get to it if you need to. There's a little compartment down here. You can still access it, so it doesn't obstruct everything completely, but it does get in the way a little bit of the cup holders and stuff down here if that's a concern for you. Lots of room. You're not going to be banging your knee into it or anything. At least I won't. If you're a larger individual, that might be an issue. But overall, if you're looking for more storage in your pickup truck for random things, stuff to just keep it more organized, definitely check this out.